You tell? I think the back or front wheels locked on. Yeah, he's a bit flat as well. I've put some air in it before I move him to his place. I can tell it's the first time I've driven in 2 months. Alright, let's get this one in if I can. The Victor's not happy. I reckon the accelerator pump's gone. I'll go to pump the accelerator. Only a little tiny bit of petrol comes out. But saying that, the wheel was stuck on. So, also, this Victor wants to be a V-dub. Well, it was a VW shop, but this is the cause of it. It looks like oil, but it's not. It's water. What a cool car. Water coming from the water pump. There's a leak. Luckily I got one of my wish lists on eBay. Yeah, look at it. 20 quid plus postage. So I'll get that. Thermostat. It's all service stuff. But yeah, that's water. Thank God for that. New fan belt, £20, so I'm glad to get that. I don't think there's much water in here. So obviously it's been like it for a while. Yeah, got some. I got new hoses. They're warm. But as I said, I'll go right through it, give it a good service, rebuild the carb. Plenty of fuel shooting out. So I reckon accelerator pump on the old carby. Water pump seems an easy enough job. Yeah. Definitely need a fan belt. Look at that. But it's marking its spot. Gloves. They out there.
No.
I'm moving forward and across it. He's in. Quiet breath here. The engine. There he is. Just started to pull him out. Pull him out in a bit. Bit more tidying up to do, sorting out. That was a struggle. In, out, shaking all about 8 times. Have a quick look around. Patina bugs in. Beige bug at home's been done. 2 power floors to celebrate the welding. Little piece in behind the pedal cluster. That's it. There's a brake pipe kit to go right through. Oh, there's my gloves. You don't smell a mouse or rats or nothing. That's cool. So I completely rewired it all up and running at home before I took out the engine. Nice. Not one bit of water since it's been here for a year. Wow, way. It'll be up for sale next couple of months. Brand new brakes, engine. Well, I'll bring it back once I get the engine out. And there we have it. Not 100% is running right, obviously, because the carb needs sorting out. Put the accelerator pedal down, it slightly decreases. That could be fuel mixture, accelerator pump, anything like that. Sticky brakes. Well, I drove it to where it sits now for him. Until I get my ass in gear and crack on with the Carmen gear. He's got it running and driving. Just put a car cover over it now. Yeah, absolute beauty. Oh, I'm blowing a bit. I'll move this one over a bit and get that engine out. Then I'll finish that video up there. Bit of a time lapse earlier. Whew, that was on my own. Even though there was no engine, it's still blinking heavy. But happy to get this in. Just, yeah, everything's going good so far. So this is where I'm at. Engine stuck. Hello. An inch. That's all we need, guys. Just that extra inch. Freaking hell, I'm gonna have to jack up the gear, get the wheels on. Dollies. Yeah. That's where I'm at. Yay. Nice gap here for the back of the workshop. Next week I'll spend an hour a day sorting all that out. I've got lots of stuff for sale. Help towards these builds. Give me more room to get my spares from upstairs down. Took about 10 minutes just to get it all on the dollies and move. Get the engine out. So this is it. It come with Project Matey, the blue bug I had on my channel. It come with a C's carburetor, no clutch, the wrong flywheel, no dizzy. So I think I'll put on, before I fit it, it's got a brand new clutch on anyway. I've done that back along. I put a new fuel pump on. Just go through everything. Yeah, he's a nice little 1300. Ideal for this fella. Clean up the back of the gearbox. New release bearing, which I've got in here. So that'll go on. Give it a good tidy up. We've got an engine seal to go on. The engine trays are absolutely spotless. Usually they rust out. So there'll be more on this one next couple of weeks. I'll put a new accelerator cable in. Look at that. We'll go through all that. But happy days. Saturday. Tomorrow I've got football, like I said in yesterday's video. Vauxhall Victor all packed away for a minute. Whoa. Got a new car cover there for the bare metal bug that'll be pushed back in the corner. In fact, them wheels are going on the beige bug at home. Got the GT wheels, painting them up. I've got to swap them over before he goes back in the corner and hibernates. Vauxhall Victor, I've got a long list for that. Added to the list was a water pump. Yeah, just start gathering up some parts. Still can't get a car in. I know we said we'd get the beige bug in, but I am doing videos on the beige bug at home, so you won't miss out on that. But a few of you will be happy we've got the patina bug in. Loads of room. And plus, now the gear's on skates, easy to cut out the floor and weld them in. So, yeah, happy days. Glad that engine was stuck in the middle of the workshop at the back in the dark. Like, comment, subscribe. Buy me a coffee, etc. Amazon wishlist if you want to support. But just by watching, like button, commenting, that's all I can ask for really. So that's me done. Aircooled shop. Aircooled only shop now. Right, cheers.